I don't want to see him anymore, at least tonight. I hope you don't mind that I'm staying here tonight. That's okay, Charlotte. You can stay as long as you want. So, where do I sleep tonight? You can sleep on this couch. Hold on. I'm gonna get you a pillow and blankie. Sleep on the sofa. Alright. Let's see. Oh, it's spacious enough. Yeah, it fits. Nighty-night. Here's the pillow. Charlotte? Charlotte? Where did she go? Did she leave? Did I say something's wrong? Oh, this must be about the couch thing. She doesn't like couch. It's my fault. Oh no. Hello lovely crafters. After making IKEA armchair sofa in my previous video, it's so hard not to make the longer version one. So this is it. DIY Barbie IKEA Eektorp 3-seater sofa. First, let's draw the pattern without printer. It's almost the same as the pattern I've made in my previous video. It's just longer. Now, take your time to understand the pattern. You can draw just the half of it. To draw the curves, just follow what I'm doing. There's nothing difficult about it. Okay, this is the pattern we've got, and we're not gonna use this part. Then just fold it, just to make sure you're having a symmetrical pattern, and cut it. Here we go, our first 4 patterns. But we're gonna need one more, pattern E. It's just a duplicate of pattern A, but this is what you have to do to get the shape. It's not a rocket science and all the patterns are done. Then use pattern A to make these. And let's put them all together using hot glue. For the bottom side, we have to remeasure it, and this is my size. What about yours? Just make sure it's perfectly fit. Remeasure this distance. This is my number, and use the number to make these. let's cover these two arms using felt fabric. Then let's continue to pattern A. And let's cover them with fabric. Basically, you can use any fabric you like, just make sure that it's easy to work with. And I'm gonna do a little experiment using various kind of fabric, but you don't have to do this. Okay, let's start with the arms. So I'm not doing it really well in this tricky area. I hope you're doing it better than me. So I just cover it with more hot glue and then I cover it again with similar color marker. I hope it looks better now. What do you think? Let's continue to the back part of the sofa using pattern B, C and D. But we have to reshape it again to make sure that it fits. If you're happy with it, you can duplicate it into pattern D. Or you just can mirror the pattern B. Then let's remeasure again this distance. This is my number. What about yours? Let's continue with these two. Then use the number to make these. Just make sure that your stack is 2 centimeters wide. It could be 3 or 4 layers. Then finish the rest. part, because it's having a quite thickness, about 2 centimeters, we're not gonna cut any of the fabric. Just follow what I'm doing. These parts are done, and then let's continue to this part. We're gonna need a long piece of paper and fabric. We need to cover the ugly texture of the cardboard using a little thin paper. Then cut a little piece of fabric into B and D. I'm using a kind of fabric that doesn't break when you cut it. It's some kind of stiff velvet, but I don't know the name. But you don't have to use it. Just use any fabric you like. Then let's put it on the sofa. It's perfectly fit. What left is just the middle part. Remeasure the left space and don't make it too tight. And then use the number to make this. You can make sure again that it fits. Yep, it's perfect. Then you have to make pattern C to match the size. And this is how you make a shorter pattern. And then use them to make pieces like these. Let's make it fast. It's just the same steps, just different shape. Let's put our last pieces together and we're done. This is more than just a sofa. It has a quite spacious storage for your Barbie. Not just your Barbie accessories that fit in. It's even your Barbie. What a cool way to organize the Barbie things. So, what do you think of this patchwork look sofa? Or do you prefer the plain color one? I think both ideas could be nice. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. And see you in my other video. Bye!